Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to present some ideas on wooden patio furniture. Wooden patio furniture offers a timeless and natural appeal that seamlessly blends functionality with aesthetics, making it a popular choice for outdoor spaces. Crafted from a variety of wood types such as teak, cedar, pine, and eucalyptus, wooden patio furniture exudes a rustic charm that can enhance any outdoor setting, whether it's a cozy backyard, a sprawling garden, or a tranquil balcony. One of the primary advantages of wooden patio furniture is its durability. High-quality woods like teak and cedar contain natural oils and resins that makes them resistant to decay, insects, and the harsh elements. This inherent durability allows wooden furniture to withstand the rigors of outdoor exposure, from intense sunlight to heavy rain, without losing its structural integrity. With proper care, such as regular cleaning and periodic sealing or staining, wooden patio furniture can retain its beauty for many years to come. Wooden patio furniture also offers a wide range of styles and designs to choose from. Whether you prefer a classic Adirondack chair, a sleek and modern dining set, or a comfortable wooden bench, there is a wooden furniture piece to match every taste and outdoor aesthetic. The versatility of wood as a material enables craftsmen to create intricate designs and unique shapes, adding an artistic touch to outdoor spaces. Wooden patio furniture is eco-friendly and sustainable. Wood is a renewable resource, and responsible sourcing practices ensure that new trees are planted to replace those harvested. By choosing wooden furniture, individuals contribute to the reduction of environmental impact associated with non-renewable materials like plastic or metal. Maintenance of wooden patio furniture is relatively straightforward. Regular cleaning to remove dirt and debris, along with proper storage during extreme weather conditions, helps extend the furniture's lifespan. Applying protective coating like sealants or stains not only enhances the wood's natural beauty, but also shields it from moisture and UV rays. In terms of comfort, wooden furniture provides a comfortable and inviting seating option, while some may opt to add cushions for extra padding. Wooden seats are ergonomically designed to provide ample support and relaxation without the need for additional accessories. Wooden patio furniture is a versatile, durable, and aesthetically pleasing choice for outdoor living spaces. Its natural charm, extensive variety of styles, and eco-friendly characteristics make it an appealing choice for homeowners seeking to create a warm and inviting atmosphere in their outdoor areas. By investing in high-quality wooden patio furniture and giving it proper care, individuals can enjoy both beauty and functionality it brings to their outdoor spaces for years to come. I hope you were inspired to watch these ideas till the end. Which one of these ideas was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you would like to keep up to date with my latest videos about DIY projects, woodworking, metalworking, furniture ideas, and more, you can subscribe us and click the bell icon for notification when we upload a new video to the channel.